The project name is Autism Detections. So here we are presenting an AI-powered autism detection system. So it will interact with the machine learnings like facial emotional recognition and eye tracking to assess the autism detections. So here we are using CNN, which is a convolution neural network. So we are analyzing that eye aspect ratio by using deletes. Then we are using SVM as support vector machines and XGBoost and logistic regression to train and predict the autisms. So this is our block diagram. First, we need to collect the data sets and then we are pre-processing. So, and then we are using feature scalings. So, which is nothing but we will use here normalized and standardized. After that, we are using that hyper parameter tuning. So this will be used before training the module. So which will improve the performance of the module. After that, we are training that models like support vector machines, XGBoost classifier, logistic regression, and voting classifier. Here, XGBoost classifier is using to increase the accuracies. And then voting classifier, which is nothing but it will collect all others modules, combine that, and it will help in performance and accuracy of the predictions. So this is our train code. So first we need to import the required libraries, and then we are loading the data sets, which is in the CSV files. So after that, just we are printing that 5 rows, and then number of rows and the columns. And info is nothing but if it is any missing elements, it will automatically skip it. So here we are encoding the autism column if it is contain state levels, yes or no. So encoding label encoding here happening here because it takes only numerical values. So if it is yes means it automatically convert into the one. If it is no means it will automatically converted into zeros. And then we need to select the features and the target variable. So we are selecting as X as the features, like it will as the inputs from the users, and Y we are taking as the target variable. So and then we are splitting the data sets into the training and validation sets, and we are taking test for 20% and 80% for the training. By using random oversimplifier, we are balancing the data sets. Then we are initializing the other modules also like XGP models, like it will boost the accuracies. So after that, we are creating that voting classifier with our votings. At last, we are training that ensemble models and it will make predictions. And we are evaluating the models and the cross validation scores also we are predicting here. So at last, we are saving by using job library. So this is for our facial detections. So first we need to define the data generations and then we are creating that modules. So after that we need to compile and train the module. At last we need to save the module and after saving the train module, we are showing in the graph. So this is our testing code. So once if I train means we need to store here by using job dot load of our pre-trained module. So these are the 10 questions like after detecting, it will ask the 10 questions based on that, it will predict yes or no like that. This is our app.py code, like by using class, we are creating one website. So first we need to import the required libraries. So it is nothing but class is a class. For that class, we are creating one object. So for that, we are keeping one name as double underscore name double underscore. So if that name is equal to main means this code will get tracked. So first we need to initialize this. After that, we are creating one data set here. So MySQL.connector.connect, which is nothing but it will we are using that SAM control panel. So automatically it will connect there. Right after autism underscore DB, our data set name is. So at app.route, we are getting like URLs, so start detections. We are using get methods. So this is the function for the starting detection. So here it will save our videos in this folder like uploads. In saved videos, it will save automatically once if we test the code. So after detecting our face, it will detect based on our face. So based on these 10 questions, automatically it will detect our face and it will give the output as yes or no like that. So like this, I have created for an index about registration and the login, logout for detection. This is our site. Like I have created a login register about detection. So in about it will show us what is autism and the importance of early diagnosis and how our app will help to identify the autisms. So here first we need to register. So we're asking for login pages. So this is our autism detection pages. So it will calculate the emotional score and eye engagement score. So based on the user response, it will predict yes or no. At last, it will predict whether the autism prediction is there or not. So for this, light source is important. So just if I click detection means automatically it will trigger our code and it will open the camera. So it is detecting whether it is happy or sad or neutral. Based on my face, it is showing that emotional score is 0.68 and eye engagement score is 0.97. So that for 10 questions, it is responding like no, yes. So for these types of question, it is showing the answer based on my face reactions. So at last, it is predicting that autism prediction is unlikely to have the autism predictions. So now in saved videos, it automatically will save.